the bolt loose or not. If loose, just tighten.
Just tighten the bolt.
Just tighten this bolt. Okay. Another bolt is here. This catch you move. This one open.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you open this one. Then this one push down. You check this one.
Oh, that
Okay.
one.
You must check. Okay, it happens. Customer they ride for 2 months, never check. Handlebar shaking because this bolt loose.
Oh, 是这个 bolt 啦。
Okay.
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 Okay, so-
One bolt, two bolt, some more.
Okay. Then 我 tighten 一下啊。
Must remember after the whole thing
Yes, you must
collapse.
remember. After that is a crank set. You see crank set here? This bolt. Do a safety check also. Okay.
诶，那个 crankset 啊，can also change to a lighter one, right?
Yes, hollow tap. So
Ah.
basically upgrade.
How much would that be?
Usually will cost 130.
130 to
Yes,
upgrade
to
to
upgrade
hollow
hollow
tap.
tap. Yes.
This one,
This one and this
Okay.
side also one piece. Okay. Okay, it's already tightened now. So this one also.
Okay.
You tighten.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yes. After that, stem. Stem is depends. Sometimes the stem you notice that the stem is shaking right. This part also tighten. Okay.
Fine. Okay.
Okay.
So actually 你什么 bolt 都要 tighten.
Yes. 一些人 customer 是骑到1-2个月。This motor bolt loose. Okay. This bolt also just check. If the bolt loose or tighten, just check. Just try to.
OK，看到什么 bolt 就 tighten
对，
啦。
你看什么就tighten 一下。Then for dry chain gear shifting，如果 not precise，你们不会调就要拿下来了。
Okay.
Okay. Then the rest is very standard. Okay, for this part right. Okay. This part right, sometimes we cycle right here a sound. Sound is because like rust. So you add a loop, make it silver. Okay. You see this part? We just strip some loop here.
Oh.
The joint when you add
joint,
some, you will just add a bit. The joint, you know, the joint become very smooth.
Okay.
Here you see? Very smooth. Okay, then you tighten.
Understand.
Okay, but for this one, right, this thing can adjust the tension. So like that, we already adjust the precise tension. So 差不多啦, so like that. Okay, then folding, now I teach you how to fold.
Okay.
Then for folding part, okay, folding part very straightforward. One thing, you just leave the stand out. After that, handlebar just like that. This height, you want this height. Okay, after that, first step, open this one.
Open that one. Okay.
But for this one, sometimes I notice this one is very loose. Okay, you see? Screwdriver. Tighten this one. Okay, you tighten this one harder. You can lock properly. Okay. Yeah, like that better. Okay. Okay, first step is open this catch.
Okay.
Then push this down. Okay. This thing down. This thing open. Turn parallel with the dryer. You lock the thing. This one, you turn to here in between. Okay. Then open this catch.
Okay.
Then open this one. You fold. Then you
Oh.
push.
Oh.
Oh, you can push
You can push. You can
Looks
push
very neat.
forward, not backward.
OK，
Remember?
不要紧，一个 direction 就好了。
Okay, remember for this one, like that come with the magnet, so you can buy those like backhoe rack to rack the body.
Oh.
You want to push, you want to put inside the car. Okay, so you can push like that. Only push forward,
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That was lower.
You do test right again. Được hả?
Yeah.
And the wheels.
Tires
Tires and handy wheels.
Lazada.
Oh, this is three. Already fixed up. Wow.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
It's brand new.
Yeah.
This is the old batch inside we sell at cheaper price.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. D group 你看到他们开始 modify 这个
对
modify 变得很轻。
Okay, so it's actually which is the first part to modify to be lighter?
Usually they will make modify.
Helmet also got seats. Oh, these wheels are very small.
These wheels?
16.
I too scared to 骑 16 inch.
OK，也许 OK，记得哦，你们骑差不多2个星期之后，你要做一个 diffuser。OK，也许 OK，记得哦，你们骑差不多2个星期之后，你要做一个 diffuser。收垃圾来了。
Okay.
OK。OK，我拿出去搅着，我教你怎样fold。